Hey young world,
The world is yours.
hey young world,
The world is yours.
young world, young world,
The world is yours.
young world. This rap beat.
It may cause concern.
I'm Easy.
And I'm Amira.
Today is Tuesday, March 13th, 2018. Today is Psycho Day 1.
Attention students and staff. Students should make sure that backpacks, cell phones, and outerwear remain in lockers during the school day and should not be brought to class.
Attention 6th and 7th grade students. If you are interested in participating in the annual 24 Math Challenge, please listen closely.
Practice for the 24 Math Challenge will be held for 7th graders during lunch on Tuesdays and Thursdays in Miss Pearson's room.
Students, the track season started yesterday. Track participants should report to practice on time. Remember as well to make sure you have no failing grades. See the coaches in GO4 with questions or to hand in paperwork during care.
And now for the results of the Students versus Teachers basketball t-shirt contest. With 85% of the votes, logo number 1, the basketball head, is the winner.
Students, t-shirts go on sale today at all 3 lunches for $5. Shirts will be delivered the week of the game. So we're just gonna pick a name out of these envelopes, and if we pick your name, then you win a free t-shirt. So yeah, this is 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Victoria Maldonado. Yes.
I gotta
Symphony B.
Good job. And for the 8th grade.
Okay.
Y'all better hope y'all get your name called. Shamaya! Good job! I can't pronounce her last name, but good
Cotier.
job.
Shamaya
Cotier.
Cotier. Oh. Today for lunch we are having creamy chicken and pasta, steamed broccoli, yogurt, chocolate chip, cookie, banana, and milk.
Thank you for listening to the morning announcements. Today is day 1, and remember, young world,
The world is yours.
This rap beat.
It may cause concern. It's
Boring.
why don't you listen and learn?
Love things happen.
That one.